Okay, you guys, I was gifted these travel compression bags and they are so great, and I want to share with you some of the features. They are going to be so perfect for packing for the dorms for my daughter who's going off to college. So it comes with this little pump, as you can see. You could definitely travel with this, which makes it really great for just packing your luggage if you need to squeeze things into a small space. So I'm packing towels right now. I'm using the medium size. They do come in a multi-pack with 3 different sizes. So I would just want to demonstrate to you the difference between how it is before and how it looks after. So this is the before. You just need to quickly zip it up, and then you pop this little guy on and turn it on, and then you're just going to wait a couple minutes for it to suck all of the air out. It is actually incredible how quickly this works and how easy and how compact it is. It's just very impressive for the price and how small this is. So it's going to be great for packing for the dorms because you can fit everything into these moving bags, but you could also use it to pack your luggage. And this is the before and this is the after. It's amazing.